Well, good morning and happy Monday to you. This is James Hecker, Mortgage Advisor, NMLS number 214601, bringing you the weekly mortgage rate recap and forecast for December 12th, 2022. So hope you're having a great Monday, and let's see what happened in interest rates last week. Well, the recap is that mortgage interest rates stayed pretty much about the same at the end of the week as they were at the beginning. They changed daily, up and down a little bit, but ended up about the same, if not maybe even a little bit better at the end of the week. Jobless claim numbers came out and they were higher, so more people had filed for unemployment, which is unfortunately a good thing for inflation and mortgage interest rates. So that's where we were for last week. What about the forecast? What do we have to look forward to? Well, this week there's a couple of events that will impact mortgage interest rates, and either negatively or positively. And the first of those events is the CPI numbers coming out, the Consumer Price Index, which will come out tomorrow on Tuesday. And good lower inflation numbers would be good for mortgage interest rates, where a higher number would not be. And so that's the first thing that we're looking forward to this week. And then Wednesday, the Feds meet again. And it's widely anticipated that they're going to raise the discount rate by 0.5%, which will be the lowest raise they've done in the last many meetings. They've been raising it 0.75% every time they meet. And so that'll put the discount rate at about 4.5%, where at the beginning of the year it was 0. And that actually is a good thing that they're raising it slower, because it indicates to the Feds, or it indicates that the Feds are thinking that their moves in the battle against inflation are working, and that we should be seeing some lower inflation numbers, which has a positive impact on mortgage interest rates. So we're expecting that to result in possibly lower mortgage interest rates over the midterm. Not like we had in January or last year. We're not going to see that again, but a little bit off of the high of peaks, which we're already off of that. We were up into the 7s. We're down into the low 6s, and maybe we'll get into the 5s, and hopefully low 5s again, which is really a normal market. I've been doing this for nearly 40 years, and those interest rates are really what is normal. What we've seen in the last several years of lower interest rates have not been normal at all. So let's see, what else? The home price growth that's anticipated. So a lot of people were thinking with the higher mortgage interest rates, prices of homes were going to drop a lot. And that's just not happening. And in fact, the National Association of Realtors and other companies that track this data and forecast are indicating that we are looking at possibly somewhere between 4 to 5 and 5.5% increase in home prices for 2023. And that's down a lot from what it had been, but that's, again, a more normal and sustainable number. So where these mortgage rates are and where these prices are, if you can qualify, there's no need to sit on the sidelines to hope that values crash, because they're probably not going to. So there's still a lot of people that need homes. And so if you want to get this information from me on a weekly basis, I have a Friday newsletter that goes out, which is pretty in-depth. It's the U.S. Housing and Mortgage newsletter. Weekly newsletter comes out on Friday, goes into the details. I also have on Monday the mortgage rate recap and forecast email that you can subscribe to. And if you'd like to do that, go ahead and put your comment down in the comments below that you'd like one or both of those. I'd be happy to sign you up to that. And as well, if you have any questions about mortgages, about whether it's a good time to buy something or sell, I'm certainly here for you. I'd love the opportunity to talk with you. 661-714 2145. And please do me the favor of liking the video and subscribing to the channel. I'd love to expand my viewership so that I can bring you more content. I'd be grateful for that. So have a wonderful week and stay out of the rain.